All classes to undergo pre-board exams this year in Punjab. CBSE to introduce two levels of English and Sanskrit from 2021 to 22 sessions and improvement examinations under NEP 2020 implementation. UPCM to distribute appointment letters to 436 teachers. BMC to start 10 more CBSE affiliated civic schools in Mumbai. Odisha Education Minister analyzes the situation as schools reopen. Brahmin outfit seeks action over court on school's wall in Lalitpur, headmasters and teachers suspended. Manish Sisodia rules out scrapping of nursery admissions process this year. Tamil Nadu records a mixed turnout as schools reopen for classes 10 and 12. Sri S. Ayappan Nair has been awarded the Seva Ratna Award 2020. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to what's the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN and the daily stories are. The Punjab State Council of Educational and Research Training has announced the schedule for the pre-board examinations for classes in the state government schools beginning from February 8th. As per the boards this year, not just the board classes, that is classes from 5th, 8th, 10 and 12, but all classes from 1 to 12 have to undergo pre-board examinations. Sources in the Education Department said that the decision has been taken to prepare students for the final examinations as regular classes could not be held in this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Central Board of Secondary Education will introduce English and Sanskrit papers in two levels for the academic year 2021 to 2022. At present, the board offers mathematics and Hindi at two levels to reduce the stress levels of the students. Along with this, the board will also introduce the improvement examinations under the National Education Policy implementation from the next academic year. The competency-based questions have been already introduced in the board examinations for classes 10 and 12 in the phased manner. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will distribute appointment letters to 436 selected candidates for the post of assistant teachers, associate lecturers in the government secondary schools. He will also virtually interact with them in the newly appointed staffs. Candidates will be issued online appointment letters and posting orders containing photographs through the website developed in the technical collaboration with NIC as said by an officials. In a bid to attract more parents to the civic body schools, the Brihan Municipal Corporation's Education Department has proposed to start 10 Central Board of Secondary Education schools from the academic year 2021 to 2022. Last year, the civic body had started CBSE school in Poonam Nagar and Jogeshwari and an ICSE school in Mahim's Bullenbill Municipal School. With the gradual reopening of education institutions in Odisha, School and Mass Education Minister Samit Ranjan Das on Sunday reviewed the situation in the schools in the state. He said, I have visited several districts in the school in the COVID pandemic. I reviewed whether the COVID-19 guidelines are followed when these schools are reopened. We have reduced the syllabus by 30% in the schools. The authorities say that classes are being conducted in a coordinated manner and all the guidelines are being followed. The headmaster and the assistant teacher of a government school in Lalitpur district have been suspended after a court allegedly defaming Brahmins was found painted on the school walls and its photos went viral. The district basic Shiksha Adhikari and the block education officer went to the school on Sunday to inaugurate a smart class. The court was seen in the photograph of an event. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia on Monday ruled out scrapping of the nursery admission process in this year in the view of COVID-19 pandemic. As of now, there is no plan to scrap nursery admission this year. It was late in the year issuing notification, but it will happen, he said. Usually, the process to enter children in the nursery in around 1,700 schools in Delhi begins in the last week of November. The Directorate of Education releases the guidelines and the schools are asked to furnish required information, following which the application process is rolled out usually in December. Schools in Tamil Nadu reopened for students of classes 10 and 12 on Tuesday. Officials from the School Education Department inspected several schools to check the adherence of the SOPs issued last week. Turnout was low in some districts and high in others. While many affluent private matriculations and CBSE schools saw up to 70% students turnout, government and government-aided schools saw only about half attendance. The Seva Ratna Award 2020 has been awarded to the Academic Director of BGS National Public School, Bangalore, Sri S. Ayappan Nair by His Holiness Jagat Guru Sri Dr. Nirmala Nandanatha Mahaswamiji and Sri Dr. Prakashnath Swamiji on 13th Founders Day and 76th Jayantotsava. Sri S. Ayyappan Nair was previously awarded with the Honorary Directorate for his services in the field of education by the University of South America. He has a total experience of 56 years in the field of education. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, which is www.theann.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.